Hey everyone, welcome to today's vlog. This is not today's vlog, but this is all the clips which I shot before today. So let's get started.
Where's the hoodie, man? It was here only. Okay. Is someone watching me? Okay. Close over here. Thank you. So now we are done shopping, and this is the Victor Mall, which is near the theater in Bichwade. See? So let's get into the car.
So hey everyone, we are back from the market and we went to that V2 mall in Bicholim. Like there are some not quality is not very good. Like shit. Like light also went. Okay. Uh, as we are back from the market, I will take a quick shower and I will see you. And hopefully, light also comes back. Today it's Sunday 8 November, and from today we are starting Diwali ki safai. Or let's see. So this is the polish which we ordered online. Or now we have to apply this instructions. Okay, let's start.
Making Akash Kandil, couldn't find a good music track, so thought of voicing it over, but this is worse like, but still it took 59 minutes for me to complete, but this is into 20 speed of this time lapse, so this is only 30 seconds. Okay, hard work.
So hey everyone, had to go back to market again because of this. Like it was almost complete, but this strip was left, so we went again to the market and I was roaming in the market wearing these peculiar glasses. Everybody was staring at me, and then I realized, oh, okay, so we will stick this. This is much extra. Anyways, guys, and we are done with the Akash Kandil, and see who's holding it. Okay, wait, I will take some cinematic shots.
The next day, I thought of cleaning my room deeply. So, first thing you need is पुराने कपड़े जो अभी fit नहीं आते हैं, and then you need is a brother to gossip in between, and okay, it's done.
So here it is a different type of bird. Wait, I will show you.
So there you can see him. I think he lost his way, like he's alone over there, and he has a like huge beak.
Twin trap.
गरीबी. Content.
Today is 12 what? November and 2 days for Diwali. दिवाली की साफ सफाई अभी हो रही है, like 90% is done, and today we are going to learn how to assemble a pedestal fan. So let's start. First we need is parts of pedestal fan, and I have already fixed this. Now let's get in assembling this. Okay, so now we know what we need. I think, okay, yes, step one. Now I think we need this. I'm right. It works. Let me fix this. So here you can see it is written faster and looser. So you need to read this first so that you don't rotate it in the opposite direction like a dumb fool. Faster and looser. So you okay. So I have read it. And I was doing the opposite direction. Dumb fool. This. Now, okay. We need to fix this one. Level here, this one going. So find out what's wrong. Wait. What is this one? This one. We try our best. And now we will unlock it. Nut or bolt, I don't know. Now the moment of truth. Let us switch on the button. Okay. Oh, we have one more button over here. Okay. Stay away from it, as if you not fix it properly, anything can go wrong. Okay. Content.
Wait a minute.
Okay, so now I'm thinking, what is the use of fixing this, mummy? It is winter. Who will use this fan? We need to again clean it in summer. Okay, F in the chat. So we were applying this wall sticker, and like this is complete, but flamingos are missing. What happened was, what he said, चलो ले चले तुम्हें तारों के शहर में, and she agreed. And now they are on the way to तारों के शहर.
हमने उबाला पानी, उसमें डाली इलायची, अब अदरक ने भी अपनी जगह बनाई. इसमें अभी गई चाय पत्ती और एक चम्मच गई. अब किस बात की देर थी, इसमें हम डालेंगे दूध की मलाई. शिट यार, शक्कर ही नहीं डाली. शिट.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
Hey everyone, hoping everybody is happy and healthy. First of all, wishing you a very happy Diwali to one and all watching our video. And like right now, if you also want to wish me a happy Diwali. And also, there's an important thing to tell you people. Like many of you might know that there are three major projects coming in the Molem area and which will affect the ecosystem very badly. Like not sounding like a professional, but still, like you can contribute by just clicking on the link which is given in the description. You can go there, enter your name, enter your email, and then you will get auto generated email, and which will go to the means the concerned authorities. And you just need like 10 seconds to send that mail. Just remember to make slight changes as it will end up in the spam folder. So please remember to make slight changes. And there are also other initiatives like petitions and all, also listing them down in the description. And don't forget to like, and also let me know in the comment section कि भाई क्या स्पेशल बना है यार दिवाली में तुम्हारे यहाँ. हमारे यहाँ तो ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बना. And also share this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching.